And now it's my turn to present the second power tandem of the year. And like what RJ said, proud din ako of my two kapamilyas, RJ. Kasi, hindi may kakaila ang lakas ng kanilang tandem mula sa kanilang mga teleseryeng Linlang at What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Team Kim Pao became a household name among our Filipino viewers. The star for Herman Moreno Power Tandem of the Year goes to Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Unang beses ko po makatanggap ng parangal na hindi hindi tungkol sa acting. Thank you so much sa lahat ng namumuo ng PMPC, sa ating mga kaibigan sa press, sa mga artista at sa mga nagtatrabaho sa industriya na nandito. Ako po ipinalad na mag-guest pa sa show ni Kuya Germs nung ako'y nagsisimula. And over the years, sa lahat ng mga nakasalamuha kong mga artista at mga tao, ang dami kong mga naririnig na pinagsimulan talaga nila ang programa ni Kuya Germs. At salamat at patuloy nyo na binibigyang importansya na naiambag ni Herman Moreno dito sa industriya natin. Salamat.
Sabi mo, hindi mo alam sasabihin mo. Ang dami mo parang sinabi.
Nakita ko si Coco, kinabahan ako. Kailangan ko galing.
Pero maraming salamat po sa PMPC para sa parangal na ito. Hindi naman siguro lingid sa kaalaman, pero parang pangatlong power tandem ko na po ata ito. Ano? Maraming salamat sa mga nakakatandem ko, lalo na kay Paolo. Thank you. Dahil hindi naman mabubuo itong power tandem kung wala yung isang puso dyan. So thank you so much. And sa lahat na sumusuporta po sa amin, si Melin lang, si Secretary Kim. At ngayon may bagong pelikula po kami na ipapalabas sa March 26. Sana po supportahan niyo po. My Love Will Make You Disappear. Nag-promote. Pero thank you po sa lahat ng supporter, sa lahat po ng nagmamahal sa amin. Paulit-ulit po namin sasabihin sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations to Barda, of course, and Kim Pao. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
We are back here at Dolphy Theater for the 38th PMPC Star Awards for television. We have two very important and meaningful achievement awards to be given out. The Herman Moreno Power Tandem of the Year and the Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award. The first of these milestone awards is a legacy left by our dear master showman himself, Tito Germs, Herman Kuya Germs Moreno. Although of course he's no longer with us physically, his presence is always felt because of his undying concern for the entertainment industry. And this is one of his legacies, the Power Tandem of the Year, na ipinagkatiwala niya sa PMPC. Yes, Kuya PJ, Kuya Germs started a tradition of giving milestone awards to acting tandems or love teams who have created the most impact on the viewers and the industry for the year. And this year's winners have that enormous power over the TV viewers as proven by the consistent high ratings of their television programs. That's right, RJ. You know, for 2024, two power tandems have been chosen because they have both proven that the team-up has gained enormous popularity among the viewers, not only here in the country, but globally as well. You know, it is my honor and privilege as a kapuso to represent and present this special award to two of my co-stars in Pulang Araw. From the time of Team Filay in Maria Clara and Ibarra to the intense team-up of Adelina and Hiroshi in Pulang Araw and any other projects in between. Sadyang napaka-powerful talaga ng kanilang tandem. And the first Herman Moreno Power Tandem for the year 2024 goes to Barbie Fortesa and David Licauco, Team Barda. Let's go!
Presenting the trophy, play and bouquet from the PMPC and John Knight from Herman Moreno Foundation, PRO Eric Borromeo and Mayor of the trophy, play and bouquet from the PMPC are John Knight from the Herman Herman Moreno Foundation and PRO Eric Borromeo and the Mayor of Nunungan, Lanao del Norte, Honorable Marcos Mamay.
Hello po, good evening po. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa PMPC Star Awards sa pag-recognize po sa aming tandem ni David. And first and foremost, gusto ko pong i-acknowledge ang aming direktor sa Maria Clara at Ibarra, si Direk Zig. Siya po ang nagsilang ng Pilay Love Team. Napakahusay na direktor. Maraming salamat. Tama nga ang sabi nila na good things happen when you least expect it. And for me, that's David.
Wow.
Gulat ka, diba? Ayun. Sobrang saya ko kasi ang saya niya ka-work and ngayon nakikita ko na ang laki na ng growth niya as an actor and I can't wait to see him more and to see him grow as an actor at sana ako pa rin ang kasama niya.
Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you to PMPC for recognizing us. Just means na I guess we're doing something good, and that we're making people happy, and that's what we want to do. Secondly, I want to say thank you to GMA for believing in us. To Maria Clara Ibarra, like what Barbie said. Yun kasi yung nagpanganak sa ating love team, tama? Diba? So thank you so much to Sparkle, and of course to you. Really, thank you. I have learned so much from you, and that's such amazing. Ikaw yung love team ko. You are very patient and understanding, so really thank you. And yeah, hopefully magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming trabaho together.
At syempre ang ating supporters, diba?
To the fans,
yes, to the fans. Salamat po sa inyong paniniwala. And yun, katulad ng sinabi ni David, to GMA and to Sparkle, maraming salamat po. Thank you!
Thank you to the fans. Hindi kapag wala sila.
Yes! Thank you po. Have a good night, everyone.
Congratulations, Barbie and Dave.
On behalf of Herman Moreno Foundation and Federico, who's out of the country right now, alam niyo naman ito ang legacy ni Kuya Germs. At maraming salamat sa Star Awards for 38 years na kino-continue ninyo ang legacy ni Kuya Germs. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Congratulations, Barda and Kim Pao, our Herman Moreno Power Tandems of the Year. And now we will move on to another Lifetime Achievement Award in honor of a great director, talent scout, and scriptwriter.